Hi! In this lesson, we're going to give a pumpkin some fun details with doodles. If you're joining us and missed the drawing and coloring of this pumpkin, you can click the link in the description. We could leave our marker pumpkin as it is, but let's doodle with a Sharpie on top of our painting to give our pumpkin some unique details and make it just something different. And I'm going to start by outlining it with a Sharpie marker. Now I can create a background, and you could doodle your pumpkin, or you could doodle your background, or you could doodle both. It's up to you. I'm going to doodle the background and leave my pumpkin just as it is. I'm going to start with some dots and add those to my background, and I'm going to connect those dots with curved lines. And then I'll add more curved lines to those curved lines, inside or a little outside, depending on what size I made it. And I'm going to do this in both directions. Now I have a sort of checkerboard pattern with spaces for my background that I can color solid, or I can just add more doodles in every other box. Now I think I'll add some slightly angled lines under my pumpkin, just to keep it from being perfect squares. This is going to create some perspective under my pumpkin. I'm going to turn my page sideways so that I can make these lines with a ruler just a little straighter, because I want that to be crisp. You can either color every other square, or you can doodle. And I'm going to doodle with spirals because they're easy, and we wanted to keep this very simple. And that's it. It looks a lot more complicated than it really is, right? And it's a fun way to give your fall pumpkin artwork just a unique detail. If you hit subscribe, you'll know when we add more fall art to the playlist. And thanks for watching, but most importantly, for getting with the Lord.